Whew, looks like all that hard work planting the carrots really paid off. They're ready to harvest.
We'll pull them all up tomorrow and bring them to Mr. Porter for the big carrot cake festival.
I'm in need of some serious shut-eye.
Oh no! It got too cold and now there's ice all over our carrots.
They're frozen in the ground. I can't get them out.
But Mr. Porter needs them to make carrot cake for the festival. I better call the PAW Patrol for help. Farmer Yumi, Farmer Al, good morning. What's going on?
It rained overnight, Ryder, and got freezing cold.
Now our carrot crop is covered in ice. We can't get them out to take to Mr. Porter for the carrot cake festival. Don't worry, we're on our way. No carrot is too stuck, no pup is too small. PAW Patrol, to the lookout.
Ryder needs us.
PAW Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir. Thanks for hurrying, pups. Farmer Al and Farmer Yumi need help digging up their frozen carrot crop if they're going to deliver them in time for Mr. Porter, who needs them for the carrot cake festival. Yum! Carrots! The carrots are frozen solid in the ground. So for this mission, I'll need Zuma. Use your hovercraft's fans. Set to heat to thaw the carrots out.
Ready, set, get wet.
And then I'll need Rubble. Once the carrots are thawed, I'll need you to dig them out of the ground.
Rubble on the double.
All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll.
Thanks for coming, pups. Nope, they're still not coming up.
No problem, dude. Let's warm these veggies up. Rough, thin. Let's dig it. Earth, scoop.
That's the last of the carrots.
We'll drive them into town.
Oh no, Garby accidentally undid the hitch on the trailer. The trailer's rolling down the hill toward that cliff.
Along with all our carrots. PAW Patrol, we need some backup. Chase, I need you to use your winch to stop the trailer full of carrots before it rolls off the cliff.
Chase is on the case. Not so fast, trailer. Arf, winch.
What a relief. Let's make sure the trailer is secure this time.
It's all locked in. Only thing left to do now is hurry on to the Carrot Cake Festival.
We'll lead the way.
To the festival.
A carrot cake festival was a wonderful idea. This cake tastes scrumptious.
Did you hear that? My carrot cake is a big hit. Oh, what a relief. I have Farmer Al and Farmer Yumi to thank for supplying me such yummy carrots.
Thanks for helping us deliver the carrots on time for the festival, PAW Patrol. Don't mention it, Farmer Yumi. Whenever your carrots are frozen solid, just yelp for help.
There's some extra carrots. Who wants them?
Ooh, me!
All right.
Aww.
My masterpiece is almost finished. My art will bring in more visitors to Adventure Bay. This is so exciting. I'm so hungry. I need a break for lunch. Hey, that's my sandwich. Stop that. Wait, Garby! I'm sorry I shouted at you. Let me help you. Where did you go? Come back! Oh no, Garby needs help. I need help. I need to call the PAW Patrol.
Francois, did Town Hall get a new coat of paint? What's going on?
Ah, it's terrible right there. While I was working on my masterpiece, Garby caught his hooves in my paint cans. Now paint is everywhere around town hall. Garby knocked over the golden Chicoletta statue and the trash cans. Paint and trash cans are everywhere.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No paint spill is too big, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol to the lookout.
Ryder needs us!
Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir. Thanks for hurrying, pups. While Francois was painting, Garby got his hooves stuck in some paint and made a mess all around Town Hall.
Poor Garby!
The buildings and streets are covered in paint, and trash cans and the golden Chicoletta statue have been knocked over. We also need to find Garby, who's gone missing. For this mission, I'll need all paws on deck. Marshall and Rubble, I'll need you to clean the town up. There's a lot of trash and paint in the streets. I'm fired up! Rubble,
On the double!
Sky, I'll need you to put the golden Chicoletta statue back.
This pup's gotta fly!
And Chase, we need to find Garby so you can return him to the farm. See if you can sniff him out.
Chase is on the case!
The rest of you pups should come too in case we need a bigger cleanup crew. Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Wow, how are you here so fast? Très bien.
We're just doing our part. Time to clean up the town. Arf! Scoop! Ruh! Water cannon!
This pup's gotta fly! Ruff, ruff! Harness!
Garby! Here, Garby! Oh no! Garby's heading for that cliff! He can't see where he's going! Arf! Net! Don't worry, Garby. I'll get that paint off of you. Arf! Fire hose!
C'est magnifique! The town and Garby beautiful and clean again. Now I can go back to my art. Whoa, what is this?
Looks like the wooden beams are cracked. Rocky, can you repair it?
Don't lose it, reuse it. Arf! Tools!
Paw Patrol saves the day again. Merci!
You're welcome, Francois. Whenever a goat's accidentally covered the town in paint, just yelp for help. Farmer Al, what's going on?
Ryder, I can't find Garby anywhere.
That's because Garby is right here with us, Farmer Al.
Ah, yes, he's had quite the day on the town.
You said it, Garby.
Everyone's come for the Adventure Bay Potluck Picnic.
Adventure Bay Potluck Picnic? Huh. Why should they get all of this yummy food and not me? Ha-ha! That was almost too easy. I can't wait! What should I eat first?
Watch out!
Hey, that's mine! Come back with that! Oh, this picnic's for the birds. Unless I call the Paw Patrol for help. Now, all right.
All right, pups, are we ready to head out to the potluck picnic? I'm bringing watermelon. I hope there's peanut butter and apples and popcorn and all the tasty treats. Mayor Humdinger, are you swimming in your suit?
No, I tried to keep the seagulls from flying off with a picnic basket full of food, but I lost control and crashed into the ocean. I'm having trouble swimming back.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No picnic problem is too big, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout. Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir. Mayor Humdinger said seagulls have flown off with a picnic blanket full of food. Now he's treading water in the ocean.
You should always wait a little before swimming after you eat, dude.
For this mission, I'll need Zuma. Use your hovercraft to rescue Mayor Humdinger.
Ready, set, get wet.
I'll also need Sky. Locate where the seagulls have flown off with the food and bring it back to the potluck picnic.
This pup's gotta fly.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Over here!
I see you, dude. Arf, booey.
I think I found where the seagulls took the picnic basket full of food. It's here, on the roof of the museum. Ruff, ruff, hook! Oh no! A baby sea turtle was carried away from the beach. He's stuck on the roof.
Marshall, we need you to use your fire truck ladder to rescue this baby sea turtle on the roof of the museum. I'm ready for a rough rescue. Wow, that was fast. Let's get this baby turtle back home where it belongs. On it, Ryder! Arf! Ladder! Hi there, let me help you. Bye, baby turtle!
Thanks for saving me and bringing back the food.
No problem, Mayor Humdinger. Whenever a picnic's been stolen, just yelp for help.
Stolen, right. Yes, of course, yeah.
I thought I saw a picnic blanket being flown over here. What a great idea! Let's have the potluck picnic on the beach.
It all looks so good! I want some of everything!
Me too! Hey, come back here with my burger!
Welcome, everyone, to the Adventure Bay Pet Parade. Here in Adventure Bay, we like to honor our pets. Isn't that right, Chickaletta?
The pets of Foggy Bottom are way more interesting. Isn't that right, kitties?
Oh no, my float has stalled.
Whoa, what's happening? I've lost control.
Oh, my fruit stand.
No, somebody help me. I can't stop this thing.
Oh no, Mayor Humdinger is going to drive off that pier. I'll call the Paw Patrol for help.
All right, pups. Are we ready to go to the pet parade? Mayor Goodway, what's going on?
Oh, Ryder, Mayor Humdinger crashed our pet parade. His float went haywire and caused all sorts of damage. My float has stalled, Mr. Porter's fruit stand is rolling away, and Mayor Humdinger is about to drive off the pier.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout! Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir. All right, pups, we're needed at the pet parade. Mayor Humdinger lost control of his float and did a lot of damage. Now Mayor Humdinger and his float are headed for the pier. That's not a part of the parade route. For this mission, I'll need Sky. Fly over to Mayor Humdinger and save him before he drives off the pier.
This pup's gotta fly.
Rubble, use your scoop to scoop up Mr. Porter's fruit stand that's rolling away.
Rubble, on the double.
And Rocky, I need you to fix all the damage and get Mayor Goodway's broken down float back in action.
Green means go.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Looks like I'm about to go for a swim.
I'm here to help, Mayor Humdinger. Ruff, ruff, harness.
Great job, Sky.
Here comes Rubble on the double. Arf, scoop.
Don't lose it. Reuse
Thank you, Paw Patrol. Mayor Humdinger is safe and the parade can go on as planned.
Don't mention it, Mayor Goodway. Whenever you've got a parade problem, just yelp for help.
Meow.
Kitties, what are you doing up there? Get down! Fine, then I'm coming up there too.
Not so fast, Mayor Humdinger. This is a parade for pets. Meow. Meow, meow.
Hey, Alex, that's a great sandcastle you're building there.
Thanks, Grandpa. The Mini Patrol and I are on a roll.
Wow. Look at that.
That sandcastle isn't so great. I bet I could build an even bigger one. The tallest sandcastle ever. Yes! You'll see, kitties. My sandcastle will be the best on the beach.
Wow, Mayor Humdinger, your sandcastle is huge.
Yes, aren't you jealous?
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow.
Don't worry, kitties. Look, the crabs are leaving. Look at that storm headed our way, and those waves are getting really big. All right, get down from there, kitties.
Oh no, they're stuck! Oh, the kitties will be washed out to sea if they can't get off my sandcastle. Well, I need to call the PAW Patrol.
Mayor Humdinger, what's going on?
Oh, Ryder, my kitties are stuck on top of my giant and very impressive sandcastle. They can't get down and a huge storm is on its way.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No sandcastle is too big, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout.
Ryder needs us. Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Lots of people are still on the beach with a storm on the way.
Those waves are going to get huge, dude.
That's right. And Mayor Humdinger's kitties are stuck on top of his giant sandcastle and can't climb down.
Oh no, they must be so scared.
For this mission, I'll need Chase. Drive around and use your megaphone to get everyone safely off the beach.
Chase is on the case.
Marshall, use your ladder for the kitties to hop onto to get safely off the sandcastle.
I'm ready for a rough rescue.
Zuma, come with us in case the storm causes problems at sea.
Ready, set, get wet.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Rough megaphone! Attention, citizens of Adventure Bay! The beach is closed! I repeat, the beach is closed! Please get off the beach!
Don't worry, kitties. I'll get you down. Earth, ladder.
Oh, kitties, I'm so glad you're okay. Ow! We better hurry.
My bucket! Help!
Zuma, use your hovercraft and buoy to save Alex.
Let's dive in! Earth, buoy! Thanks, Zuma! No problem, dude. Let's go back to shore.
Great work, Paw Patrol. Let's get off the beach to safety before this storm lets loose.
I'll get you kitties cleaned up. You're covered in sand.
The beach day for the kitties has turned into a spa day. Thanks, pups.
Whenever you've got a problem, just yelp for help.
Hey, can I get cleaned up here? The sand in my mustache, it itches and it achoo!
Sorry, Mayor Humdinger. I need to take care of these sandy kitties first.
Oh, I hate waiting. Achoo!
Meow, meow.
Happy birthday, Julius and Julia. I know you love balloons, so I've decorated the entire playground with them, and more are on the way.
Yay! Thank you, Auntie. Look, animals!
We brought our animals down from the farm for you to enjoy.
Garby!
Emma and Corny are flying away.
What? Pigs don't fly?
Apparently ours do. I better call the Paw Patrol for help. Farmer Yumi, Farmer Al. That looks like a fun party. What's going on? It was a fun birthday, Ryder, but now our pigs are trapped on a floating playground wheel. The balloons lifted them into the air. Don't worry, we're on our way. No flying pig is too big. No pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout.
Ryder needs us!
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. The pigs, Emma and Corny, have ended up on a flying playground wheel, held aloft by dozens of balloons.
Whoa, that's a new way to take to the sky.
They need our help getting down. So for this mission, I'll need Sky. The pigs need to come down, but the balloons are in the way. Pop the balloons one by one with your hook to slowly and safely lower the playground wheel down.
This pup's gotta fly.
I'll also need Chase. I need your net and trampoline on standby to catch the pigs in case they fall.
Chase is on the case.
And you too, Marshall. We'll need your ladder if the pigs get stuck someplace high. I'm fired up. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
I found Emma and Corny. Hold on, piggies. Ruff, ruff, hook. Easy does it. Slow and steady.
Arf, net!
Marshall, use your fire truck's ladder to save Emma. I'm ready for a rough rescue. Arf, ladder! Hi, Emma. Let's get you down safe and sound. Now that the pigs are safe, Sky, I'll need you to bring the wheel back to the playground.
Hups away. Ruff, ruff, hook.
We'll get back in time before the party's over. Let's go!
Flying pigs! I never thought I'd see that.
I think Emma and Corny's flying days are over. Thanks for saving them. Don't mention it. Whenever you've got a problem, just yelp or oink for help.
Aww.
What's this? A street fair? I'll sell something too. But what? I know! Foggy Bottom Seaweed! Foggy Bottom has the best seaweed! Seaweed! Get your fresh seaweed here! The slickest and slipperiest seaweed in all the world!
Slick and slippery, huh? I bet that will make my trike go super fast. I'll buy a jar.
Yes! That's one happy customer!
I'm going to go the fastest down Main Street than anyone has ever gone. I'll just back up a little and then race down through town.
Hi, Danny.
It's Daring Danny X.
What's this green stuff in the road? Whoa, the road's really slick here. That delivery was a disaster. I'm spinning out of control. I'll call the Paw Patrol for help.
Hi, Mr. Postman. Whoa! Why are you bouncing around?
I think Danny was trying another one of his daring but dangerous stunts. There was something slippery in the road when I saw him. Now my mail truck is spinning out of control.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No street is too slick, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout.
Ryder needs us.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Mr. Postman's mail truck is spinning out of control down Main Street.
Oh no! That's a dizzy mail delivery.
Danny may have slicked the streets with something for a stunt. We need to stop Danny before he does his stunt by getting the road clean again. So for this mission, I'll need Marshall. Use your water cannon to wash the slime off the street.
I'm fired up.
I'll also need Sky. Use your hook to stop the mail truck from spinning and get it off the road.
This pup's gotta fly.
The rest of you pups come too. We may need backup.
Copy
You
that.
got it.
You
You
got it,
are.
Ryder.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
be sick!
Don't worry, Mr. Postman. The Paw Patrol is here. Ruff, ruff, hook!
Ew, seaweed. That doesn't belong there. Arf, water cannon. Ah, now I can't do my stunt. That's because your stunt wasn't safe and put others at risk. Oops, sorry, Ryder. I'll clean your tires, Mr. Postman. Arf, fire hose.
Whew, back on solid ground. Thanks, pups. Now I need to deliver all the mail that's flown out of my truck. Oh no, the mail is flying out to sea.
Let's dive in. Spin! Special delivery, dude.
Arf, net.
Thank you for your help, pups. Now that the roads are safe, it'll be a delightful ride to deliver the mail.
Don't mention it. Whenever you've got a problem, just yelp for help.
And I think someone's stall is sold out for the day.
Oh, my starfish! The storm's created a sand tornado that's ripped up all the kelp. And now this sand tornado's heading toward Paplantis. I better call the Paw Patrol for help.
Shells up, dude. Dude.
Coral, what's up?
A storm has developed near Paplantis, Ryder. A whirlpool created a sand tornado that's now spinning right for the city, threatening to scoop up everything in its path.
Don't worry, we'll save Paplantis. No weather is too strong, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol to the Whale Patroller. Ryder needs us. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Riders, sir. Thanks for hurrying over, pups. Coral needs our help to stop a sand tornado before it reaches Paplantis. It has the power to pull Mer Pups out of the city. So for this mission, I'll need Rocky. You'll use your claw to hold up that old mast and sail lying in the sand in front of Paplantis to catch the Mer Pups.
Don't lose it. Reuse it.
I'll also need Sky and Zuma. Use your Aqua Subs fans to break up the sand tornado.
This Aqua Puppy's got a float. Ready, set, get wet.
I'll need all pups ready to help Paplantis weather this storm. Aqua Pups are on a roll. Yikes! I see the sand tornado heading toward us. It's pulling those Mer Pups out of the city.
Don't worry, Mer Pups. I'll save you. Arf! Claw! Yup! Let's dive in. Arf! Fans!
The whirlpool that caused the sand tornado is over here. Follow me. Whoa! Now we'll need to break up this whirlpool, or else more sand tornadoes will be created. Zuma and Sky, blow your fans in the opposite direction of the whirlpool.
You got it, Ryder. Pups away! Arf! Fans!
You did it!
What's all this green stuff? Seaweed?
It's kelp that the sand tornado ripped out.
Let's replant the kelp. Rubble, use your drill to drill new holes in the sand to plant the kelp into. Rubble, I'm the double! Rough, drill!
I'll help keep the kelp steady. Arf! Crane!
Let's dig it! Arf! Scoop!
The fish are returning to the kelp beds.
Yep.
That's Mer Pup for thanks for saving us, Aqua Pups.
Don't mention it. Whenever a sand tornado whirls your way, just yelp for help. Woohoo! we did it! Yeah! Whoa! I'm getting dizzy.
Marshall!
I'm okay. It's like I made my own dolphin subtornado.
Go, Coral, go!
Whoa! They're going this way. Now they're going that way.
Pearl Ball looks like so rad, dude. Maybe we can play next.
Great idea, Zuma.
The Pro Ball is coming your way! Go!
Great game, Mer Pups.
Oh, my starfish!
Yip, yip!
Coral, is the Mer Pup okay?
Yip, yip.
Yip, yip!
Yes, but he's trapped inside the collapsed rock grotto.
Don't worry, Mer Pup. No rock is too heavy, no pup is too small.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir.
Thanks, Pups. For this mission, I'll need Rubble. Move the rocks with your bulldozer to unblock the grotto entrance.
Rubble, I'm the double.
And Zuma. You can help too by using your lobster claws to grab chunks of rock and carry them away.
I'm ready to dive in.
All right, Aqua Pups are on a roll. Stand back, little Mer Pup buddy. Let's dig it.
Let's dive in. Yip, yip.
Awesome, the Mer Pup is free. Now, Rocky, I need you to use your saw blade to knock down this unstable cave so no more Mer Pups will get caught inside.
Green means go. Arr, saw.
The Mer Pups will need a safer place to play Pearl Ball.
Ooh, I know what we can do. We can reuse these 2 nets I found floating around and turn them into goalposts.
Great idea, Rocky. Coral, can you help him with that too?
You got it, Ryder. This driftwood will help make the goalposts.
Don't lose it, reuse it.
We did it! Yip, 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 yip.
Yip, 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 yippee yip.
That's Mer Pupper. Thanks for constructing a new Pearl Ball field for us, Aqua Pups.
Don't mention it. Whenever Pearl Ball problems arrive, just yelp for help.
Can we play in this next game?
Sure.
Yes, I'm fired up.
Go, Marshall, go!
Whoa! I'm okay.
Yip, 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 yip. Yip, 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 yip. Yip, 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 yip. Yip, yip. Ugh, another concert? How many songs do Mer Pups have to sing? I wish I didn't have to listen to it. Maybe I don't. There. Now no more singing. Whoa! That's a really strong current! Oh no, I didn't plan for this to happen. Oh, wait! Stop, shell! The current carried the shell into a trench. Oh, I can't get it out. Maybe if I get under it, I can push the shell out from below. Come on, move! Now I'm stuck. I'm gonna have to call the Paw Patrol for help.
Moby, where are you? Are you going to the Mer Pup concert?
No, and that annoying concert will never happen because the Mer Pups are trapped inside the concert shell and I'm stuck under it.
Where is the shell?
A strong current carried the giant shell away into a trench.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No shell is too shut, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol to the Whale Patroller.
Ryder needs us. Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. The Mer Pups were about to have a concert in a giant shell, but the shell closed, trapping all the Mer Pups inside.
Whoa, dude. That shell clammed up.
Then a strong current pushed the shell into a trench and trapped Moby under it too. They need our help getting out. For this mission, I'll need Sky. Use your manta ray sub to hook the shell and lift it out of the trench and free Moby.
This aqua puppy's gotta float.
The shell will still probably be closed, and the Mer Pup's still trapped. So we'll need Coral. Use your bubbles to tickle the shell open and free the Mer Pups.
On land and sea, you can count on me.
All right, Aqua Pups are on a roll.
Get this thing off of me!
We're on it, Moby. Rough hook.
Hold on, Mer Pups. I'll get you out of there. Arf, arf, bubble launcher! You're welcome. Now let's get the shell back so the concert can still happen. The show must go on.
I didn't call for help for that.
Rubble, use your hammerhead sub to push the shell back. Here comes Rubble on the double. Great work, Pups. Now, we need to make sure the shell doesn't accidentally close again.
Yes, accident. Right.
I can help with that. Arf, crane.
Why don't we decorate the shell? It is a concert after all.
Great idea, cousin.
Why don't you help her, Sky?
We're on it, Ryder. Rough, rough, hook.
Ruff, bubbles!
Yip, yip, yip. Yip, yip, yip.
Now they're ready for a shell-tastic concert. Thanks, Aqua Pups.
You too, Coral. Whenever you get trapped in a giant shell, just yelp for help.
Or in this case, sing.
Yip, 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 yip. Yip, 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 yip.
Aww. What should my next invention be, McSquiggly? It would be great if I could increase my production of inventions in record time. That would be so cool! Huh? What's going on in there? Turtles! They could probably help me build more of my inventions. What do you think, McSquiggly? Aw, they're so clumsy because they're babies. Maybe they could be better helpers if I made them something to get around in. Come on, McSquiggly, we've got some building to do.
Oh, baby turtles! The ocean's over here, little one. Wow, there's so much trash here. It's hard to tell which way to go. I'll call the PAW Patrol for help.
Whoa! Whoa! Hey, look, a turtle! Hi, Coral. What's going on?
Hi, Ryder. A lot of baby turtles just hatched on Scrap Island.
Are they in trouble?
Yes, because they can't find the ocean. There's too much trash on the shore for them to see their way clearly to the water. All the adult sea turtles are feeding off the coral garden by Paplantis.
We're on our way. No turtle is too lost. No pup is too small. PAW Patrol to the whale patroller.
Ryder needs us.
PAW Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir. Thanks for hurrying, pups. Coral needs us to help baby turtles find their way off Scrap Island. Aw, babies! The baby sea turtles need to be reunited with the adult sea turtles in the coral garden, and soon. For this rescue, I'll need Rubble. Use your bulldozer to push aside the trash and clear a path for the baby turtles to reach the water. Rubble on the double! I'll also need Marshall. Use your water cannon to make a water slide on the sand to help the tired turtles get to the ocean. I'm ready for a rough, rough rescue. The rest of us will come along as backup. Aqua Pups are on a roll.
Thanks for coming, pups. The turtles are over here.
My vehicle needs to operate on land for this rescue. Rough, scoop! Ruff, ruff, water cannon! That baby turtle can't get down from that mound of trash. It's going to fall. Coral, create a bubble screen to cushion that turtle's landing.
It's bubble time!
This will help the baby turtles not be so clumsy when moving around to help me with my inventions.
Whoa, I don't think that's a good idea, dude.
What are you talking about? It's a great idea. It's already 100% improvement on how quickly the baby turtles can move. Uh-oh, it's stuck on McSquiddly's tentacles. Oh no, it's out of control.
Chase, use your net to stop that robotic turtle. Chase is on the case. Rough net!
Over here, baby turtle. There now. Go find your mama. The baby turtles found their mom. Thanks for a shell-tastic rescue, Aqua Pups.
Don't mention it. Whenever baby turtles can't find their way, just yelp for help.
There. Fixed it. Bow wow wee! This is just the beginning, McSquiddly. We'll keep building until our new version of Puplantis is even better than the original. Only this time, I will be king of New Puplantis, and no singing or dancing will be allowed. Let's go collect more driftwood to build with.
You got me. Now it's my turn to be it. Oh no! You're trapped! I need to call the PAW Patrol for help.
Almost done. There. It's a sand pup. Good one, Marshall. Sand pup. I wonder what Moby's so happy about. Coral, what's going on?
Something strange, Ryder. I was playing tag with my seahorse friend, and they went inside this house made of driftwood. It collapsed on my friend, trapping them inside. I need help getting them out.
Don't worry, we're on our way. No seahorse is too trapped, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the whale patroller.
Ryder needs us.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir. Coral's seahorse friend needs our help, pups. The seahorse is trapped in a collapsing house. For this mission, I'll need Zuma. Use your lobster's subclaws to remove the parts of the house trapping the seahorse inside. I'm ready to dive in. And Rocky, I'll probably need you to saw through any stubborn pieces of driftwood to help free the seahorse.
Green means go.
The rest of us will come along for backup. Aqua Pups are on a roll.
Thanks for coming, Aqua Pups.
Let's help your seahorse friend. We'll get you out, dude. Rough claws. My turn. Arf, saw.
Oh, I'm glad you're okay, friend.
Let's make sure no other animals get trapped inside this shaky building. Use your bubbles, Coral, to build a dome around this building.
It's bubble time! Thanks, Aqua Pups. I think you've made a new seahorse friend.
Don't mention it, Coral. Whenever the roof caves in overhead, just yelp for help.
No! What have you done to my new Puplantis?
New Puplantis? So this is your house, Moby?
It's a castle, and yes, it's mine. It was a genius idea. You've turned my Puplantis into Bubbleantis.
Bubbleantis? That sounds like a marvelous idea.
Oh, now I'll need to start from scratch again.
Be careful, Moby. Even a new Puplantis needs to be safe. We don't want anyone getting hurt.
Yeah, I know that. Hey, get this piece of driftwood off me.
Oh, Moby.
Maybe you should move into Bubbleantis.